Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with this beauty here that my buddy Guillaume sent for a review. Thanks, man. You're the best. So first of all, let's just check the size of this bad boy because, yeah, this is 9-inch long, guys, not a small one. 5-inch long handle, 4-inch long blade. This is a bad boy. Let's check it out up against some other big boys. This is the Shirogorov Pero. And let me see what other big boys we have in the house, just to show you how big this guy is. This is the Reiki Knives Tule, and another big boy that I like very much, and also Russian. Custom Knife Factory Snafu 2.0, Canadian designer Peter Rassenti in the house. And look at this. Boom, Sean O'Hare. This is the Rambler. It's a big boy indeed. And another one, it's this guy, which is still big, but look at this. It's much smaller than the Cannabis over there. And if you want to see how that's comparing with the Ontario Rat number 2, there you have it, right over here. And what did you say? You want to see the Spareco Paramilitary 2? Sure, there you have it. You want to see the Para 3? Of course, that's your Para 3 right over here. This is not a small knife, guys, I'm telling you. Like, for example, Chris Reeve Knives Large Sebenza 21. Yeah, I mean, no contest. So you want to see another one? Yeah, look at this. Randy Doucette Metalhead. Again, no. And you want to see some medium knife, for example. This is the Curtis F3. So check that out. How big is this boy? It's a big boy, 100%. But it's a very nice one. This is the Shirogorov Cannabis. It's a collaboration between Dmitry Sinkevich and Shirogorov. And this particular one is the TNK True North Knives exclusive because it's micarta, multi-row bearings, and M390 steel. Very interesting design. It has one flaw. Anyway, it's the clip. We're gonna check it out in a second. But check out the scales, guys. These are not just like milled out in a way. These are 3D contour. You see, it's like tapering down. And this is like a nicely done and executed set of scale, which in the hand are gonna feel like crazy, guys. It's really cool. Micarta, I'm not a fan of micarta, but in this case I'm okay because it looks like carbon fiber. I mean, it's, yeah, I mean, you see it, right? Yeah. So it's good. It's dark, and I like it because usually I'm not a fan of the earthy tones on knives. Sometimes yes, but not all the times. So I was saying this is a collaboration between Dmitry Sinkevich. In fact, you can see that. You see, yeah, this is like Sinkevich. Tool, let's say. It's a proprietary screw. You have a pretty nice set of titanium stone-washed liners, pretty chunky over here. And then here you have a nice, look at this, nice lock up. There's no lock face insert going on over here. You have basically a nice micarta backspacer, lanyard hole drilled through the scales, the liners, and the backspacer as well. It's nicely done, guys. Internal chamfering going on, external chamfering going on, 3D milling going on. Oof, lots of things going on. Guys, just look at this pivot here. Yeah, I know. How cool is this? It's super cool. Look at that. Really nice. And the flipper tab, very minimal. It's a little bit pointy, just two grooves for the jimping. But push button, yes please. Light switch, of course. I mean, nicely designed. It's not sticking out too much. I like this shape, like opening up, kind of like it reminds me like a Italian stiletto maybe. And I really appreciate this Shirogorov jimping, of course. It's overall a nicely designed handle, guys. Really cool. I appreciate these lines over here, tapering down. Look at this one. Look at this. Look. Beautiful, guys. It's really, really cool. Something that I'm not truly a fan of are these two screws, like here. I mean, yeah, they're flush, they're not protruding, they're nice, but they're distracting a little bit. Imagine this, like without these two screws. Oh man, it would have been like super, super clean. So we said there's no lock face insert. This scale over here is going to act as a lock bar stabilizer, of course. Easy of disassembly, I don't know, because I don't have the key, so I'm not going to be able to take this down, but I'm assuming there's loose multi-row bearings going on. That's why the action is like this. But what really struck me was the pocket clip. I mean, fantastic, slim profile. Looks like there's no pocket clip, but they created these two indentation for the edge of your pants pockets to slide in and just be, reach this point here. But there is no way on this planet you're gonna be able to lift this and slide this in your pocket. No, this is a design flaw that I don't know how that could have happened, because it's not really functional. And also, like the this clip, you see, it's not covering the screw 100%. So it's very, very strange. I mean, this is probably the only part that I don't like about this knife, because everything else, guys, is spot on. Of course, clip is tip-up carry only. It's not reversible. It's nothing. Check out this blade. Look at the profile. Look at the polished flats and this fine medium stone wash, which looks like bead blasted or vapor blast. Full belly. There's a beautiful mirror edge going on over here. Flat grind, nice drop point like this. Of course, classic Shirogorov plunge grind, sharpening choil going on. This is the space where, you see, look at that. The stop pin is hitting that area over here. Like there, really, really nicely done. This is beautifully done, guys. There's a little bit of lack of chamfering from on the flipper tab, but yeah, not a biggie. But I mean, the blade is beautiful. Nice thick stock, but this is like 4 inches, and sterile look. M390, pretty clean, nothing going on. Nothing is distracting. You know it's a Shirogorov, you know it's a Sinkevich collaboration, you know it. It feels absolutely good in the hand, and I mean, the sound. Oh yeah. Shirogorov sound. Pure Shirogorov sound. Guys, nice cluck, nice clink, cluck, and clink. You hear even the whoosh of the multi-row bearings rubbing up against the liners. Really, really cool sound. It's pleasant. It's massively listenable. Very, very cool. The weight of this guy is going to be 5.7 ounces, so not the lightest, but this is a big boy. And with thick liners and everything else is micarta, so I understand why the weight is like that. What is really outstanding is the grip. Guys, you have to feel this in your hand to understand what I'm talking about. Absolutely beautiful grip. This opening over here, you see, it opens and tapers down. It's made for the palm of the hand. Look at that. It's just naturally, beautifully fitting in my hand. Reverse grip. Oh yeah, you see, when you have this part sticking out, boom, you can do like that, and that's a secure grip for the reverse grip. Really, really cool, guys. You have zero, and I'm saying zero, absolutely no hot spots whatsoever. Everything is beautifully chamfered and contoured inside and outside. By the way, you see here the serial number. This is 77 of 100, so there's 100 made of these guys, and there's another 100, I believe, made in G10, and there's another set with another set of scale that I don't remember now. Let me know in the comments. if you remember. But I mean, there's absolutely zero play, nothing is moving, everything is milled to perfection, zero gaps, tolerance is so tight that I don't even know how to compare, like, just crazy, guys. I mean, this is built like a tank, super solid, and feels great, has a nice texture. It's super grippy, zero blade play, nice jimping going on over here, beautifully executed, polished flats. I mean, fit and finish, outstanding. Let's check out the action, because Shirogorov is famous for its action. This is multi-row bearings. Action, guys. Deploys like smooth. Push button. Light switch. Same speed. Light switch. Push button. Incredibly smooth deployment, guys. Zero finger sore. Multi-row bearings like crazy. Look at this. You can... Now it's tough to do, but you can do this. You see, if you're fast enough, you can do this. It's very hard to do like this, but the multi-row bearings, they give you this option to play and fidget with this guy like crazy. It's insane how smooth this guy is. It's one of the best actions ever felt. I mean, Shirogorov is up there. I mean, absolutely phenomenal action going on. It's, I mean, I don't know what to compare it to anymore, because it's really one of the best actions in the industry. Detent strength is on the medium side, perfectly dialed in. When you deploy the blade like that, you feel that the handle wants to escape from your hand because of the kickback brought in by this pretty huge blade. No rattling, of course, going on. Lock bar, it's pretty easy to disengage because of these two cutouts in the liners. Zero lock stick. There's no detent ball ramp, and you have a little bit of hard step going on, but absolutely free fall as soon as you disengage the lock bar, and boom, guillotine effect. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous actions, guys. So I mean, overall the look is fantastic. The sound is Shirogorov sound, really great action, awesome grip. Too bad for this pocket clip, but everything else, guys, checks out. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.